Question number 1. What is the basic unit of protein? The correct option is A. Amino acid is the basic building blocks for protein. Question number 2. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? The correct option is C. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting. Question number 3. What is the normal pH of blood? The correct option is B. 7.4 is the normal pH of blood, which is basic in nature. Basic or alkaline in nature. Question number 4. Which molecule store genetic information? The correct option is B. DNA is a molecule which store genetic information. Question number 5. What is the end product of glycolysis? End product of glycolysis. Correct option is A. Pyruvate is an end product of glycolysis. Which enzyme digests starch? The correct option is C. Amylase is an enzyme which digests starch. Question number 7. What is the major store form of glucose in humans? The correct option is C. Glycogen is a store form of glucose. Question number 8. Which lipid is a major component of cell membrane? Correct option is B. Phospholipid is a major component in cell membrane. Question number 9. Which organ primarily regulate blood glucose? The correct option is B. Liver is an organ which regulate blood glucose level. Question number 10. ATP stand for. Correct option is A. ATP stand for adenosine triphosphate. Question number 11. Which vitamin deficiency causes scurvy? The correct option is C. Vitamin C deficiency cause scurvy disease. Question number 12. What is the monomer of DNA? The correct option is B. Nucleotide is a monomer of DNA from which DNA are formed. Question number 13. Which enzyme convert starch into maltose? The correct option is B. Lipase is an enzyme which converts starch into maltose. Question number 14. What is the main energy currency of the cell? The correct option is ATP. Correct option is B. ATP is a major energy currency for the cell. Question number 15. Which minerals is central in a hemoglobin? Correct option is B. Iron is a central mineral in blood. Question number 16. Which amino acid contains sulfur? The correct option is B. Methionine is an amino acid which contains sulfur. Question number 17. Where does the Krebs cycle occurs? The correct option is C. Mitochondria. Krebs cycle occur in mitochondria. Question number 18. Which hormone lower blood glucose level? Correct option is B. Insulin is a hormone which lowers blood glucose level. Question number 19. What is the end product of purine metabolism in human? Correct option is uric acid is the end or final product of purine metabolism. Question number 20. Which vitamin's deficiency causes rickets? The correct option is A. Vitamin D deficiency cause rickets in human. Question number 21. Which enzyme break down hydrogen peroxide? The correct option is A. Catalase, an enzyme which break down hydrogen peroxide. Question number 22. What is the primary structure of protein? Correct option is B. Amino acid sequence is a primary structure of protein. Question number 23. Which coenzyme is derived from niacin? Correct option is B. NAD plus is an enzyme, coenzyme which derived from niacin. Question number 24. Which lipoprotein is called good cholesterol? Correct option is C. HDL. High density lipoprotein is a good protein cholesterol. Question number 25. What is the rate limiting enzyme of glycolysis? Correct option is C. PFK1. Phosphoproctokinase 1 is an enzyme which is rate limiting enzyme of glycolysis. Question number 26. Which amino acid is essential? Correct option is C. Leucine is an essential amino acid. Question number 27. What is the store form of iron? Store form of iron. Correct option is A. Ferritin is a store form of iron. Question number 28. Which pathway produces the most ATP? The correct option is C. ETC, electron transport chain, produces most of the ATP during cellular respiration. Question number 29. Which vitamin synthesized in skin by sunlight? Correct option is B. Vitamin D is synthesized in skin by exposure your skin into sun. Question number 30. What is the end product of anaerobic glycolysis? Correct option is lactate. Correct option is B. Lactate is the end product of anaerobic glycolysis. Question number 31. Which enzyme deficiency causes lactose intolerance? Correct option is B. Lactase enzyme cause lactose intolerance. Question number 32. What is the major ketone body? Correct option is A. Acetoacetate is a ketone body. MCQs number 33. Which amino acid is a precursor of serotonin? The correct option is A. Tyrosine is a amino acid which is precursor of serotonin. Question number 34. Which enzyme convert angiotensin 1 to angiotensin 2? The correct option is A. ACE, angiotensin converting enzyme. Question number 35. Which metabolic pathway generate NADPH? The correct option is C. Phe is a metabolic pathway generate most of the NADPH. Question number 36. Biotin function mainly in. Correct option is A. Carboxylation. Question number 37. Which vitamins is precursor of catecholamines? Correct option is tyrosine is a amino acid which is precursor for catecholamine. Question number 38. Which vitamin deficiency causes megaloblastic anemia? Correct option is B. Folate is a vitamin which causes megaloblastic anemia. Question number 39. What is the major intracellular cation? Correct option is C. Potassium is a major intracellular cation. Question number 40. Which shuttle transfers cytosolic NADH into mitochondria? Correct option is B. Malate aspartate shuttle is a catasolic NAD transfer catasolic NADH into mitochondria. Question number 41. Which complex of ETC electron transport chain produce most of the proton pumping? Correct option is complex 1 of electron transport chain produces the most of proton pumping. Question number 42. What is the final electron acceptor in electron transport chain? Correct option is B. Oxygen as a molecule which is the final electron acceptor during electron transport chain. Question number 43. Which amino acid forms nitric oxide? Correct option is A. Arginine is an amino acid which forms nitric oxide. Which biomolecules is primarily source of energy for human body? Correct option is C. Carbohydrates is the primary source for energy. Question number 48. The building blocks of protein. Building blocks of protein. Correct option is B. Amino acid is the building blocks of protein. Question number 49. Which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? Correct option is C. Vitamin C is the ascorbic acid. Question number 50. DNA stand for. DNA stand for. Correct option is A. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Question number 51. Which organ store glycogen? Which organ store glycogen? Correct option is B. Liver is an organ which is responsible to store glycogen. Question number 52. The basic unit of carbohydrates is. Correct option is C. Monosaccharides is the basic unit of carbohydrates. The pH of favor water is. Correct option is C. 7 is the pH of favor water. Which nitrogenous base is present in RNA but not in DNA? Correct option is C. Uracil is an base, nitrogenous base which is present in RNA while not present in a DNA. Question number 55. The functional unit of protein is. Functional unit of protein is. The correct option is B. Amino acid is the functional unit of protein. Question number 56. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Correct option is D. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Question number 57. Which enzyme is present in gastric juices? Correct option is B. Pepsin is an enzyme which is present in gastric juices. Question number 58. ATP is mainly used for. Correct option is C. Energy transfer. Question number 59. Question number 59. Which processes produce glucose from non-carbohydrate source? The correct option is C. Gluconeogenesis is a process which synthesizes prepare glucose. Which coenzyme derived from vitamin B3 niacin? The correct option is B. NAD is an coenzyme which is derived from niacin.